ওয়েলকাম টু মাই ইউটিউব চ্যানেল আমাদের কলেজ বিজনেস স্ট্যাটিক্স ক্লাসে তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি। আজকে আমরা বিজনেস স্ট্যাটিক্সের মেজার্স অফ সেন্ট্রাল টেন্ডেন্সির মিডিয়ানের আনগ্রুপ ডাটা নিয়ে আমরা আজকে ক্লাসে শিখব যে কীভাবে আনগ্রুপ ডাটা থেকে মিডিয়ান বের করা যায়। তো চলো যায় শিক্ষার্থীরা, ওয়েলকাম টু বিজনেস স্ট্যাটিক্স ক্লাস, চ্যাপ্টার মেজার্স অফ সেন্ট্রাল টেন্ডেন্সি। Our topic is median for ungrouped data. You know, ungrouped data, that means given data without class with frequency, that is called ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, you calculate median of ungrouped data. Formula is median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 the observation. Alternative net is opposite value of CF. That means we have to calculate median for ungrouped data. You must need calculator of cumulative frequency. This is the formula of ungrouped data, calculate of median. Let's see the question and we solve. From the flowing data, determine median. This is the question, calculate median about ungrouped data. That means given data only information without class with frequency. At first we have to calculate table CF, that means cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency upper to lower, 2 and 4 plus 6, 8, 11, 12, 17, 21, 23 and 25. The last value 25 and total frequency equal to 25. When the two values equal, you can sure calculation of CF is right. Now we can write the formula. We know ME is equal to capital N plus 1 by 2 the observation. This is the formula of ungrouped data, calculator of median. N, that means 25. So 25 is equal to plus 1 divided 2. 25 plus 1, 26 divided by 2 is equal to divided 13 the observation. The 13th observation lies in the CF. We see the 13 value which is set up the first value, 2 lowest value, 6 lowest value, 8, 11, 12, 17 is match for 13. At first the value of 13 match the CF first value, opposite value of CF, opposite value, a value that means data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We indicate the circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The opposite value of CF is equal to median. The opposite value of CF, অতএব median is equal to 10. Median is equal to 10. 13 value lies in the CF value is 17. This is the opposite value is 10. A 10 is a median. Clear, dear student? Find the determinant of median about ungrouped data. This is the way. At first, follow the question, given the data is ungrouped, then table calculation of cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, that means upper to lower adding, and the last value, which is last value, and total frequency is equal. You can sure the calculation of CF is right. Then you can write the formula. We know ungrouped data's formula is equal to ME is equal to n plus 1 by 2 the observation. N, that means 25, 25 plus 1 divided by 2, 13 the observation. 13 the observation lies in CF is 17 at first, 13, 21. At first CF lies the opposite value of CF. Opposite value of CF is 10. অতএব median is equal to, therefore median is equal to 10. Clear there, student? Now solve the another question. This is the ungrouped data, daily wages and frequency. So now calculate cumulative frequency, CF. 17, 16, 28, 36, 42, 47 and 50. Total frequency is equal to 50 and CF of last value is 50. That means we have to calculate if CF is correct. Now we can write formula. We know median is equal to capital N's plus 1 by 2 the observation. To the observation, the opposite value of CF, also we can write the opposite value of CF or opposite value of CF, you can write also. Now put the value of N is equal to 50. 50 plus 1 divided 51 divided by 2 is equal to 25 the 2 observation by opposite value of CF. Now 25.2, who is missing 25.2 lies in CF 28. Opposite value 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 16. The 16 is a median value. অতএব median is equal to 60. That is the answer of median. Now again we follow the question. The question is a ungrouped data, calculation of median. At first calculation of table cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency calculation rules, frequencies adding first to last. At first 7, 7 plus 9, 16, 16 plus 12, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 plus 6, 42, 42 plus 5, 47, 47 plus 3 is a 50. This 50 and this 50 is equal. That means we have to calculate the CF is correct. Then we write formula. We know M is equal to 9n plus 1 by 2 the observation. Your alternative name is opposite value of CF. That n value is 50. 50 plus 1, 51 divided by 2, 25 the 2. 25 the 2 lies in CF of 28. The opposite value of CF, opposite value of CF, that means the 28, opposite value 16. A 16 is a median value. So dear students, I think we are all the things about how to calculate the median of ungrouped data. I think all of students are understanding about median of ungrouped data. Now revise the class. Today's class is measures of central tendency chapter. Topics is median for ungrouped data. Formula right here. Now solve the question. Two question. One is a given the question only for information without class with frequency. We have to calculate CF. That after that we write the formula. Then the value of n is putting the divided by 13 value. 13 value lies in CF is 70. At first the value of CF set the opposite value is 10. This is the median value. Therefore, median is equal to 10. Another question solved today. The same daily wages and frequency, we have to calculate CF. Now, calculation of CF from frequency, then we can write the formula and put the n value of n. Now divided 2, that means 25, the 2 lies in CF of 28, the opposite value of 16. 16 is a median. So today class, I think we are all understanding how to calculate the median from the ungrouped data. Today class is here finished. Thanks to watch my YouTube channel Amodar College. Also request my channel subscribe, like and share. Everybody is okay. Thanks to all today's class.